Congratulations, you just found your dream home and are about to write in the offer with your realtor. In this video, we'll talk about the home inspection condition. Hi, my name is Bhardwaj and I'm the founder and principal lawyer at Bhardwaj+co, a small boutique law firm assisting you with your real estate needs in Edmonton, Alberta, and we have a satellite office in Leduc. So when you're writing in the offer for the purchase of a new home with your realtor, a financing condition and inspection condition is usually discussed. So why is a home inspection condition so important to include in your offer? Well, it's a buyer beware world, and this goes for buying a home too, no matter the size or price. Hiring a professional home inspector helps give you as much information as possible on the state of the house you want to buy before fully committing to it. You can expect your home inspector to act as your private investigator with the necessary tools and knowledge to spot the things you didn't expect to see, complete with pictures and a very detailed report. It's important to have an inspection done because it can provide you details of the home to make an informed decision. Can you afford major repairs that you didn't plan on, or a lot of smaller ones that can really add up? If there are significant structural or system issues that will affect your ability to live comfortably or safely in your new home, not knowing makes it harder to plan for the extra costs and inconvenience. The report can also help you renegotiate your offer if you still want to proceed with purchasing the home. You may be able to negotiate having the seller compensate for some of the repairs by providing you a credit off the purchase price, or they may be conditions negotiated that they must complete the repairs prior to possession. Your home inspector will go over the major structural components of the home on site that can cost big time if something's wrong, such as the electrical system, structural components, heating, cooling systems, plumbing systems, insulation, ventilation, and then afterwards they would provide a detailed section written report on the state of the home, an essential and helpful homeowner reference tool, which includes maintenance to-dos and tips involved in your home's upkeep. This report also offers a good idea of what can come up in tasks and expenses for your future budgeting purposes. A home inspection is not an absolute guarantee of what may go wrong. A home inspector can't cut into walls or floors, but it's the closest you can get to knowing all about your new home and what fixes may be needed now or down the road. So if you have any questions or concerns related to your upcoming real estate transaction, please give us a call or visit our website. We provide honest and transparent pricing for all our legal fees. If you found this video helpful, follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you.